Most people think building a business means long hours, complicated tech, or chasing the next big trend. But the truth is, you don't need any of that. You can actually build a freedom-based business starting with something as simple as your inbox. That's exactly what AI Skill Stack was designed for. It's a plug-and-play system that lets you grow an email list, automate your messages, and turn subscribers into income, all without needing a product, a funnel, or even writing skills. Instead of grinding all day, you let AI bots handle the hard stuff, like writing emails, creating offers, and keeping your list engaged. That way, you can focus on living your life, not being chained to your laptop. And this isn't theory. We've seen it work over and over again. With just a few minutes of daily management, you can have a business that grows itself and pays you back consistently. The best part, you can try it risk-free with a money-back guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, you don't lose anything. So if you're ready to stop trading time for money and finally build a business that gives you freedom, click the link in my description and get started with AI Skills Stack today.